Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Here you can see the notification, ringtone and alarm sections. We can change here the notification, ringtone and alarm tones. Here we can change the media, ringtone and alarm volume by just swipe this volume panel to the left or to the right side. Also here we can change the sound assistance settings. Also we can enable or disable here the silence mode to silence the media in silent mode. Also we can just change here the don't disturb mode settings to enable or disable vibration while device ringing or in silent mode. Also we can enable or disable the haptic feedback. And here we got the additional settings. We can change here the enable or disable the dial buttons, tap sounds, the lock device and unlock device sound, the screenshot sounds, uninstalling app sound, the deleting items, the charger sound, and the start up sound. So that's it. There are all of the settings of our Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.